Alright guys, I'm here on the workbench. So here it is at the Traxxas Bandit. Never had one. I really like the Traxxas stuff for the most part. You know, I'm spreading out a little bit, getting some Arma and a few others. But yeah, I figured they have their sale going on right now, so figured I'd snag me one of these. I went with the brushed version because I actually already have a Velineon setup right here ready to go in it. It's brand new to take out from another vehicle, but we're gonna get it put in this sucker and start ripping. Yep. It's got the brushless ready transmission, which is nice. Titan 12 turn. I'm actually gonna use that for another project that you might be seeing here soon. Comes with a battery and charger, but it's just the cheesy cigarette lighter charger and a nickel metal battery. But still, nonetheless, pretty nice little vehicle. It'll do the job. So let me switch this camera around and we'll get this sucker opened up. I already cut the tape. Slip this off of here. Oh guys. Boom. It's kind of weird. It seems like it's just thrown in here. Your instructions, your charger. Oh, it comes with an extra pinion. That's nice. There's the body. I like it. I like it a lot. Simple, cool colors. Really cool. I might have to take this off and put my Texas Basher down the side of that though. Definitely need to do that. Same thing with our wing in here. But yeah. What we got here holding it in? So it's just got the basic TQ remote, no Bluetooth, nothing like that. That don't really matter to me. I have a Traxxas 5-channel TQI to be using with it. So we're gonna get that bound up here shortly after we swap our ESC and motor, because the way I see it, this is out of here. I like it, it's cool. But man, this is just gonna be way too slow for what I want in a Bandit. But yeah, that's nice. I like it. Probably change a few things right off the bat. Well, I mean, that's it. Nice chrome rims. I don't know if these tires are going to handle a VXL. We might have to get a new set. But we're going to run them for now. Simple. I like it a lot. That's how you take your battery out, and that's neat. I don't know how big of a battery we're gonna fit. Let's see what we got. 4S doesn't fit. That's a 3S softy, so that's good. There's not much room above that though, so I don't know if I'm gonna get a 3S hard case in there. Not quite. That's not gonna fit in there, so soft cases it is. Yes. Awesome. This thing looks killer. Wow. I just say wow. I like this. It looks nice. It's very simple. I like this little wing mount and stuff. I think this thing is gonna be cool. But that's gonna do it for now, guys. Alright guys, I'm back in here at the workbench, ready to do some upgrades on the Bandit. Like I said, I don't even want to run the stock motor. I'm going to put that in another project because I want this thing to be fast. So I got a Velineon 3351R and VXL 3S, so that's a kit. And right here we got a 31 tooth pinion, and I'll probably be running an 83 tooth spur. Or we'll see what I got. Hopefully we can make it work. So yeah, that's it. Get this body taken off. And alright, first thing I'll do is swap the ESC out. And then we'll get the motor swapped out after that. Something that's nice, it looks like it's already got the hole perfect for the new ESC. Okay. Let's pull the motor wires out. They got a plug connector, and I got that off of there. Which way do I want this? Get this put in right there. That's nice. It has the screw holes perfect ready. And we're just gonna probably get a zip tie and zip tie this, but we'll clean it up the best we can. For now, I'm gonna get it plugged in. And get this sealed back up. Okay, I'm gonna get this wheel taken off so I can get to the cover screws. What have I got? Here we go. What? Really? I never had a Bandit. I didn't know there's not a wheel hex. It's just a pin. The rim and the hex is all in one. I don't know if I like that or not. Maybe that's just on the brushed version. I need to look into that. I feel like that's not gonna hold up. And I get my Phillips screwdriver. The brushed version also has Phillips head screws all over it versus hex headed. So that's probably going to be an update soon too. I'm going to tear through this thing and give me a screw set for it. Awesome. So it comes with a 21 and an 83. So we're going to change this to a 31 and an 83 and brushed, and it ought to be a ripper. This motor unscrewed here. So that's it. And as simple as that. It looks like it has the gearing pre-mesh, which is awesome. So I'm going to slip that back on with this new motor. Get these screws out. Probably gonna be easier this other way. Put this plastic thing in first and figure out which way I want my motor. Probably like that. Running my wires through the shock tower. Trying to get a position on the motor before I go screwing it in right away. All right, one screw in. Get this gear opened up. Put a dab of Loctite on my screw here. So there we go. So I just need to set my alignment. All right. Let's get this bad boy screwed in. And I'm back. All right, let's do this the right way. How about that? So I took the gear off. I'm gonna get this motor screwed on. That's better. Now we're gonna put the gear on. Really not happy with the mesh. It's really tight. I don't think it's supposed to be that tight. Plug our motor in. Guess I should have put it the other direction. There we go. That'll do. And it's done. Before I got out of here, I figured I'd show you the new wheelie bar that I got, because I'm sure it'll be pulling wheelies now. I went with green, even though it's blue. I think it'll look cool. So, we'll get this put on. So it just slips over the chassis like this. Gotta take these two screws out right here. There it is. Alright, got that. We'll get this out of the way here. And we got a little tiny screw for the other side. Perfect. Look at that. There we go. Ready for wheelies now. I need to relearn the ESC since it's fresh. I'm going to turn on the remote. And we're going to push and hold this. When we get a red light, we're going to let go. Blink means we pull the throttle all the way. That means full brake. Green light, now we let go. Wow. That's it for this video, guys. Next, I'm going to take it out and give it some rips.